These tool organizers are a great way to put your most often used tools at your fingertips. They're wall mountable. They each just have 3 locations to put screws in to mount it. Very easy. In the box, you'll get some mounting hardware, some templates so you know where to put the screws on the wall, and the organizers themselves. They're made out of metal. They have an awesome texture to it. This will hold up. This will be able to take the punishment of having tools dropped in here and then ripped out. I'm going to install these now.